What if I told you that you could build and launch your own profitable app or website in a single weekend? No, you don't need to be a coding genius, and you definitely don't need $1 million budget. All you need is an idea and a revolutionary AI tool that's changing the game for creators and entrepreneurs. Stick around, because in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you how to build and sell 3 unique money-making apps using the power of AI. The secret weapon we're using today is called Lovable. It's an AI-powered platform that lets you build stunning, functional websites and applications just by describing what you want in plain English. Think of it as having your own personal team of developers, ready to bring your ideas to life in minutes. So, how does it work? Lovable uses advanced AI to understand your vision and generate the code for you. You can literally just type, "Create a landing page for my new coffee shop," and it will design a beautiful, responsive page with all the sections you need. It's that simple. And the best part, it's incredibly affordable. We'll get into the exact pricing a little later, but for now, let's dive into our first genius app idea. We've all been there. A birthday, an anniversary, or a special occasion is coming up, and you have no idea what to get for your loved one. That's where our first app idea comes in. The perfect gift finder. This app will be a personalized gift recommendation engine. Users will answer a few simple questions about the person they're shopping for, their age, their interests, your budget, and the occasion. Then, using a bit of AI magic, the app will generate a curated list of unique and thoughtful gift ideas, complete with links to buy them online. Building this with Lovable is a breeze. You'll start by creating a new project and describing the core functionality. You could type something like, "Create a multi-step form that asks users for information about the person they're buying a gift for." The questions should include age, gender, interests, tech, books, fashion, and budget. After the form is submitted, display a list of gift recommendations with images, descriptions, and links to purchase. Lovable's AI will then generate the form, the results page, and even the underlying logic. To get the gift recommendations, you can integrate with an affiliate marketing platform like Amazon Associates or ShareASale. This is how you'll make money. Every time a user clicks on a gift recommendation and makes a purchase, you'll earn a commission. How to monetize it? Affiliate marketing. This is your primary revenue stream. You'll earn a percentage of every sale made through your app. Featured listings. You can charge brands a fee to have their products featured at the top of the recommendation lists. Pro version. Offer a premium version of the app with advanced features like the ability to save gift lists, get reminders for upcoming occasions, or access exclusive deals. Next up, an app that solves the daily "what's for dinner" dilemma. Introducing the AI-powered meal planner. This app will be a dream come true for busy individuals and families. Users can input their dietary preferences, for example, vegan, gluten-free, the number of people they're cooking for, and their cooking skill level. The app will then generate a customized weekly meal plan, complete with recipes and a shopping list. Again, we'll start by describing our vision to Lovable. Create a user-friendly meal planning app. It should have a questionnaire to gather user preferences like dietary needs, number of servings, and cooking time. Based on the answers, generate a 7-day meal plan with breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Each meal should have a recipe card with ingredients and instructions. Also create a shopping list feature that aggregates all the ingredients from the weekly plan. Lovable will handle the heavy lifting of creating the user interface and the core logic. To populate the app with recipes, you can use a recipe API like Spoonacular or Edamame. These APIs provide a massive database of recipes that you can easily integrate into your app. How to monetize it? Subscription model. This is a perfect fit for a meal planning app. You can offer a free trial with limited features and then charge a monthly or annual subscription for full access. Grocery delivery. Integration. Partner with a grocery delivery service like Instacart or Amazon Fresh. When a user generates a shopping list, they can have the ingredients delivered to their door with a single click, and you'll get a cut of the order. Premium recipes. Offer a collection of premium recipes from well-known chefs or food bloggers for an additional fee. Our final app idea is all about helping people discover hidden gems in their own city. Let's call it the Local Adventures Generator. This app is for the explorers, the adventurers, and anyone who's tired of the same old weekend routine. Users will tell the app their location, their interests, for example, hiking, art, food, and how much time they have. The app will then create a unique, personalized itinerary for a local adventure. You know the drill by now. We'll give Lovable our instructions. Build an app that generates local adventure itineraries. The app should ask for the user's location, interests, and available time. Based on this input, it should create a step-by-step itinerary with a map, directions, and descriptions of each location. Include things like parks, museums, restaurants, and unique local spots. To get the data for your app, you can use the Google Maps API or the Foursquare API. These APIs will give you access to a vast database of points of interest, reviews, and photos. How to monetize it. Partnerships with local businesses. This is a huge opportunity. You can charge local businesses a fee to be featured in your itineraries. For example, a restaurant could pay to be the recommended lunch spot for a foodie adventure. A Pro Itineraries version offer curated premium itineraries created by local experts for a one-time fee. Booking commissions. Integrate with booking platforms like TripAdvisor or Booking.com. When a user books a tour or a hotel through your app, you'll earn a commission. Now, let's talk about the investment. You're probably thinking that a tool this powerful must be expensive, right? Well, you'd be surprised. Lovable has a few different pricing tiers to fit your needs and budget. Free plan. This is a great way to get started and test out the platform. It includes a generous number of monthly credits and allows you to build and deploy apps on a lovable.app domain. Starter plan. For just $20 a month, you get a significant boost in credits, the ability to use custom domains, and access to more advanced features. This is the perfect plan for individual developers and entrepreneurs who are serious about building and launching their own apps. Higher tiers, for teams and businesses, Lovable offers even more powerful plans with unlimited credits, private projects, and dedicated support. When you compare Lovable's pricing to the cost of hiring a traditional development team, it's a no-brainer. You're getting a world-class development platform for less than the price of a few cups of coffee a week. So, what are you waiting for? You've got the ideas, and now you have the tool to bring them to life. Head over to Lovable, sign up for a free account, and start building your dream app today. The link is in the description below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next video. And if you do build something amazing with Lovable, I want to hear about it. Share your creations in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.